Okay, this question is from paper 3 and it's related to the human fieldwork inquiry that we studied in Portsmouth, which was to what extent does Portsmouth have housing inequality? To answer this question, we are looking at describing and justifying one statistical technique used to analyse the data collected in our human geography inquiry. If I was answering this, I'll just be annotating here that it was our Portsmouth fieldwork when you see the word human, just to make sure you're talking about the correct one. So 3 marks, got to describe and justify. So make sure you read that it's got 2 command words here. So I've got to describe my method, which was the environmental quality survey, and I've got to say why it helped us analyse the data. So first of all, description. We visited 4 sites and each group conducted an EQS, so an environmental quality survey, at each site. We used the mean average to calculate an overall score for each site. This was 22 out of 50 for Somerstown, for an example. This was good, and this is where the justification comes in, because the survey was based on opinions, so different groups had different scores, and this gave us a way to find a score that represented all of the groups. Additionally, it gave us an overall score for each site, so we could easily directly compare them. For example, Somerstown had a lower environmental quality score than Queen's Crescent. So where have I got the marks there? Well, I've outlined and described the initial bit, what we did, and then in the second half here I've said why this was a good survey to use. And throughout I'm using examples from our study, which is only going to boost the marks when it comes to the examiner viewing it.